Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking about extending the life on your corsages and your boutonnieres. Of course, spraying them with crowning glory. Let that dry. That's going to hold them. But if you place them in a hydration chamber, they'll last even longer. It's simple, using either a corsage bag or a corsage box, or if you're working from home, it can even be some sort of Rubbermaid Tupperware or a Ziploc baggie. You just need something airtight, a damp paper towel, place that in, set your flowers in place, seal it, and then place that in the flower cooler. Let it sit overnight. It locks the moisture in and ensures they'll last as long as possible. Now you know the pro technique for using a hydration chamber.